Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Lex. Today I'm going to be doing an updated tutorial for your eyebrows. We're going to go from this to this, honey. Okay, so let's get right into it. You only need a few items. Your concealer, I'm going to use Fawn from LA Pro Girl. Get you some eyebrow pomade, an angled brush. If it doesn't have a spoolie on the end, get you a spoolie or a double-sided brush with a comb and a brush, and your brush for your concealer. Okay, so let's get right into it. First, what I like to do is brush up my hairs. You can use a spoolie as well. So I have thin brows, so it's easier for me to kind of manipulate the brow shape that I want. It's a little harder if you have thicker brows. So I'm going to just brush those hairs up. Then with the pomade and that angle brush, I like to start at the bottom of my brow and just trace the natural shape of your brow. Go ahead and create that tail. And don't worry, it doesn't have to be super perfect because we're going to clean it up with that concealer. So next, I'm just going to stop right here at the bridge, at the top of my nose, where the bridge of my nose basically meets my forehead. That's where I'm going to stop. Now we're going to do the top of the brow. And how I like to create that arch on top of the brow is to just sort of round it and down. And how you know where to stop for your tail, you can kind of measure the outer corner of your eye and place it by your eyebrow tail, and that's where you know where you should stop. That's how you know where you should stop for your tail. Okay, and then you can just brush that out as well. I'm gonna slightly fill in the brows. Not gonna pick up any more product. So now going in with the Fawn concealer. I'm going to trace that brow and clean it up. So if your brows are too thick and you want to make them thinner, this is the chance, this is your time right here to go ahead and clean it up. And then just drag that product down. I'm going to use that concealer brush also to just sharpen the line. And pull that concealer toward your nose. Now I'm using the spoolie or the brush to push the product out toward the center of my forehead, and just is going to give it that fade effect. That's optional, but that's what I like to do. Now I'm going to add that concealer to the top. You can also thin out the tail of your brow if you feel like it's too thick. You can do that right now. So guys, just always make sure, all you have to do is practice, really. I will honestly spend all day on brows, but that's ridiculous. So just try to get them to be twin sisters. Well, let's just say sisters, as close as possible. When it's time to put on your foundation, everything will be blended out very nicely. So now I'm just trying to make sure the eyebrows are even out. They don't have to be twins, but they do have to be sisters, you know. I have my good days and my bad days of my brows, but today seems to be like a good day. So hooray for that. You don't want them touching, so I like to do this as well. Just give me a quick fade out from the fade out that I did. So yeah, this is how I do my brows, and you can use some eyebrow gel and just use that on your brows so they can, you know, stay on all day. Okay guys, so this is my updated eyebrow tutorial. I hope you all enjoyed it. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to thumbs up this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And I will see you guys next time. Bye. Thank you so much for watching.